Jupiter's moons aren't just tiny space rocks orbiting a planet. They're entire worlds with their own environments, histories, and mysteries. Jupiter has over 95 confirmed moons, but the four largest, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, stand out for their sheer size and unique features. These Galilean moons are so massive and complex, they're often described as mini-planets. Io is a volcanic powerhouse with hundreds of active eruptions reshaping its surface in real time. It's the most geologically active body in the solar system, with lava lakes and towering sulfur plumes. Europa, in contrast, hides a vast global ocean beneath its smooth icy shell. Scientists believe this subsurface ocean may have the right conditions to support microbial life. Ganymede is not only the largest moon in the solar system, it's even bigger than Mercury. It has its own magnetic field and possibly a layered ocean beneath its crust. And then there's Callisto, a crater-covered relic that may hold an ancient ocean far below its frozen exterior. Together, these moons offer clues about planetary evolution, geology, and even astrobiology. They're not just orbiting Jupiter, they're rewriting what we expect from moons. True or false? Io is completely frozen and covered in ice. False. Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system, not icy at all. Which Galilean moon is the largest in the solar system? Ganymede. Fill in the blank. Europa has a thick shell of blank, covering a global ocean. Ice covering a global ocean. Fill in the blank. Io is the most blank active body in the solar system. Volcanically. Which moon has a global ocean beneath its icy surface? Europa. If a lava fountain on Io travels 800 kilometers at a speed of 400 meters per second, how long does it take to reach that height? To find how long it takes for a lava fountain on Io to rise 800 kilometers, we start by converting the distance into meters. Since there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer, we multiply 800 by 1,000. That gives us a total distance of 800,000 meters. Next, we divide the distance by the speed. The lava is moving at 400 meters per second, so we divide 800,000 meters by 400. That gives us 2,000 seconds of travel time. Now we convert seconds into minutes for a more understandable answer. We divide 2,000 seconds by 60, which equals 33.33 minutes. So, the lava fountain would take just over 33 minutes to reach a height of 800 kilometers at a constant speed of 400 meters per second. True or false? Europa may have more liquid water than all of Earth's oceans. True. Fill in the blank. The 4 largest moons of Jupiter are called the blank moons. Galilean moons. What makes Io so geologically active? Gravitational flexing. Fill in the blank. Callisto's surface is heavily blank and has barely changed in billions of years. Cratered. True or false? Callisto's surface has changed dramatically in recent centuries. False. Callisto's surface is one of the oldest and most heavily cratered in the solar system, showing little change for billions of years. A probe flies over Europa for 6 minutes at 500 meters per second. How far does it travel? To calculate the distance the probe travels, we use the formula: distance equals speed multiplied by time. The probe's speed is 500 meters per second, and it travels for a total of 6 minutes. First, we need to convert minutes into seconds. Since each minute has 60 seconds, we multiply 6 by 60, which equals 360 seconds. Next, we multiply the speed by the time. That's 500 meters per second times 360 seconds, giving us 180,000 meters. To make this easier to understand, we convert meters into kilometers. There are 1,000 meters in a kilometer, so dividing 180,000 by 1,000 gives us 180 kilometers. This means the probe covers a total of 180 kilometers as it passes over Europa's icy surface. Which moon has its own magnetic field? Ganymede. Fill in the blank. Io's volcanoes erupt with plumes of blank gas and lava. If a lander crosses 450,000 meters on Ganymede in 15 minutes, what's its average speed? To find the average speed of the lander, we start with the formula. Speed equals distance divided by time. The lander covers a total distance of 450,000 meters. The travel time is 15 minutes, but to work with our speed formula, we first convert that into seconds. Since 1 minute has 60 seconds, we multiply 15 by 60, giving us 900 seconds. Now we divide the distance by the time. That's 450,000 meters divided by 900 seconds, which equals 500 meters per second. If we prefer to express this in kilometers per second, we divide by 1000. This gives us 0.5 kilometers per second. So the lander's average speed across Ganymede's surface is 500 meters per second, or half a kilometer per second. How did you do? Tell us in the comments below. And thanks for watching Brainy Kids. We hope you had fun today. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a quiz. See you next time, brainy friends.